Okay, I'm coming in from the front door, so this is the great room. These guys have put in some laminate flooring here, and they've opened up this space here. We'll go into the kitchen. All the appliances are going to stay. Behind that door is a nice pantry. So you see how big and how deep it is. Come back around to the dining room area. As you can see, you've got a great view from your dining room. And there's the main body. And there's the view from the house. And it's a 3-level deck. I don't know if you can see this. Oops. So there's 2 decks, and then the patio down below. There's a fire pit, and then they've got the big dock and the boat lift and 2 slips. The bar area. Coming back around again to the great room. And then the sliding glass doors. And there's your entry over there, some skylights. Let's come back around here. And this is a hallway. Right off this hallway is your laundry closet. And then we'll come back around here. You're going to have your smallest bedroom, number 4, in here. I'm pretty sure that all of the furniture can stay. If you are interested, we'll come into here to the master bedroom. It has 2 closets. It has this built-in in one, and then from the entry, it has another closet here. So just so you can see. It's nice and tall. Again, so master bedroom, decent size, and it does face the water. So it'd be great to wake up to this view every morning at the lake. And then the master bath. So this is one of 3 baths. Got a single sink, a walk-in shower, and then of course the toilet. And that bathroom also has the laminate flooring that's in the great room. All the bedrooms are carpeted. Come back around, and here is bathroom number 2 with the tub and shower. And then here is bedroom number 2. Come in here. It's fairly big. It's got a nice big window right there. Across the hall, is probably going to be a good guest suite. Another bay window, because this bedroom has its own full bath. Come back down to the hallway is just the garage. And then the boat, I believe, is also something that they are interested in selling. I'll have to get information on the boat. So it's a good 2.5 car garage here. So lots of storage space, as you can see. All right, so just bring you back around. So when you enter the garage, so you gotta get your bearings. You've got that bedroom on the right side. On the left side is the bedroom that has its attached bath. There's your laundry closet. There's your other bathroom. And again, down this hallway is that small bedroom. Makes a good office if you don't need a 4th bedroom. And then the master suite to the back, which is lakeside. And then back around here, you've got the front door, closet, hall, and the great room. And we're back where we started. So it's a great house. It's in great condition. They've done a lot of updates to it. They've maintained it perfectly. And you'll love it here. I know your neighbors. They're awesome. And again, another look at your view from your great room. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. 317-370-5509. Thanks.